Hey YouTube, I did not know I was recording. I just got some new mail. I also opened it without recording it, but I got 3 new things. Here is my phone. I got an iPhone 8. Okay, so I got a little trunk right here. We're gonna open it. Alright, I have finished it halfway. So, here's my little truck. I'm gonna put all this. Coming. Thanks for nothing. Thanks for nothing. So, I'm gonna put all this stuff up. Okay. Oh, that car made everything explode. Yeah, I had to pause the camera because I had to fart. Okay, let's get back to the next thing. Bye, Naya. You gonna be sad? Oh shit! I need to go get some.
She is on my nerves. Cortland. Look, I had said, it was one time I had detention with her, and I was reading my book, but I had fell asleep. And then when detention was over, I had left my book on the desk, and she grabbed it for me, but I was already walking home.
Can't open this.
I need my phone.
Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and do everything. Okay, so here's a little tiny thing, which is dumb. And the next thing is this thing can fly. It looks like station. Okay, fine. Here's this. Get it and buy it. Okay, now, but I gotta go buy.